Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So as you can see today, I did a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I know it's only January, the second week of January, but listen, if the stores can already put Valentine's Day chocolates, candy, teddy bears, what have you, then we can definitely start with a makeup tutorial. So today I am using a full face of pink makeup products. So everything right here is pink. Absolutely everything is to some degree pink packaging. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. Y'all, Valentine's is around the corner and right now is the time to get gifts or to give gifts. What better than to receive jewelry? I personally love jewelry. I just love collecting it, hoarding it, whatever. And you guys have seen me rock this earring for the past few weeks and I have been seriously obsessed. This has also been another piece that I've been adding to my collection. This just makes me feel like $1,000,000. This is a tennis bracelet from the brand Italo Jewelry, and shout out to them for sponsoring this portion of today's video. This is literally top quality jewelry at a reasonable price. They also offer worldwide shipping. They also have a 1-year warranty and a 60-day return in case you're not satisfied with your pieces. And of course, you can use my discount code GARINA20 to get 20% off your order. This ring is called the Eternity Cushion Cut Wedding Band, and it is just absolutely stunning. Like seriously, it is so pretty, so elegant. And the bracelet that I'm wearing is the tennis bracelet that I think it matches this ring so nicely. Like I just feel like so dainty, so pretty, so like preppy. I don't know, this combination is just elite. They also have for men, you can personalize some of your jewelry. They have engagements, they have wedding bands, they have different collections, they have earrings, they have necklaces. Literally whatever your heart desires, you are bound to find it. So make sure you check the description box down below. Use my code, save some money, and gift jewelry to somebody. Trust me, they will not be disappointed. And if they end up not loving the product, again, you do have a 60-day return window where you can just return it and maybe exchange it for something else. Go shopping, go add it to your cart right now. You will not be disappointed. Thank you so much, Italo Jewelry, for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's jump right into today's tutorial. I am taking a lip balm just to prep the lips. This is the Lottie London Sweet Lips Mask and Balm. This is an overnight lip mask actually, but I'm just going to use it for today. And the inside is actually pink as well. These are really nice. They're almost a dupe for the Laneige because they're really like thick and creamy, except that these are a little thicker than the Laneige, but I mean, pretty close dupe if you ask me. For my primer, I'm going to use the One Size Secure the Blur Primer. This is going to also reduce the appearance of like large pores, wrinkles. It's going to smooth out the skin, and it's just going to create a really nice canvas for us. One Size has pretty much all their products pink and red, which is such like a Valentine's Day vibe. For my foundation, the only one that I had that was closest to pink is the Essence Keep Me Covered Long Lasting Foundation. This is actually really good. I honestly forget to use it because it is a little dark on me, but that's quite all right. I'm going to squeeze it onto this little tray, and then I'm going to use a pink sponge. This is the AOA Studios little makeup sponges. Honestly, these are so good. They're so affordable. If you're not following me on TikTok, I did a little shop with me at Miss A, which is a store here in the Mall of Houston, and pretty much everything is $1. Super affordable. My daughter loves shopping at that store. She feels so rich because everything is so affordable and they have a lot of really cute things. I don't know if all their makeup is good, but these I can definitely vouch for. I think their AOA Studio line in general tends to be really good. So if you guys are ever interested in checking out like $1 makeup for yourself or for your kids, if your kids are starting to get into like makeup, that is a great place to start, because nowadays these girls want to shop at Sephora. Literally, Leilani, that's what she wanted for Christmas, was like Sephora gift cards and Ulta gift cards, and she wants a Stanley. I'm like, what? I don't own a Stanley, okay? For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Eraser in the shade 160, which is like a pink one. But I'm also going to go in with a different shade of concealer just because this one tends to make me look very bright under the eyes, which I don't mind, but I don't exactly want for today. I'm trying to hurry and get ready because my husband wants us to go have lunch together. And he's like, make sure you're ready by 1 or 2, and it's already 12, and filming takes me at least like 2 to 3 hours, so I need to hurry. We're gonna go try out this new diner that is here in Spring, but it's a diner that a lot of people rave about, so I'm excited. We're such foodies, you guys. Like, me and my husband, we love going out and trying out new places. I love that he's so like open-minded to trying new food because I am a big foodie girl. I love trying new, not brands, new, ¿cómo se dice? Like, me gusta de todo, pretty much. I love trying new ethnic food. I guess that is the correct term. For my actual concealer, I'm going to use Light Medium from Essence. This is the Keep Me Covered concealer, which is pretty much the same thing as the foundation. This is in the shade Light Medium. I'm gonna pack it on to this side, forehead, chin, and nose. What are you guys gonna do for Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have like a tradition that you do something, or if you guys are more of gift givers. I feel like my love language is gifting. I love gifting. So I always like to like gift something. But for my husband, he is such a hard person to gift because he never wants anything. He's like a very simple man. Is that all men or what? For my blush, I'm going to use the Juvias Place Blush Lily, which is a really, really pretty, like a peony pink. And we're gonna do, let's do a little heart. Kind of. Honestly, that was probably too freaking much. Yeah, that was way too much. These blushes are so pigmented. I definitely did not need that much. I'm gonna wipe it off on my little rag that I have next to me. And I'm just gonna blend this. I like to keep this on the apples of the cheeks and then blend it upwards. I'm going to take some to the tip of the nose. And then for my powder, of course, we're using the one size. This is the Ultra Pink, I believe. And I'm using this pink sponge or this pink powder puff. And I'm just going to set underneath the eyes because I don't know if it was the skincare that I mixed today. Maybe the products just didn't go well, but my skin is looking a little crepey, honestly. I love, 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 love this powder. It melts and it looks really pretty with the pink underneath. I can definitely get away with like baking during the summer, pero ahorita my skin, girl, ain't having it. And since I don't want to use that pink powder to set the entire skin, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild's 5-in-1 Essence Primer Plus Finish Powder. So this is supposed to smooth, condition, refine pores, balance, and it's perfect for pre and post makeup. I've never used it before my makeup, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it now and set the entire skin. I'm going to use a Real Techniques brush. This is the the 400 brush. It's perfect for either setting the entire skin because it is so large and like fluffy, or you can use it to apply your bronzer and it applies it so nicely. I got these during the holidays. Ulta had them buy 2 get 1 free, and I was like, say less. I got my sister some brushes, and then I got myself, of course, girl, my Botox on my forehead wore off, and these wrinkles are like angry at me for not letting them be. I'm gonna chill out on Botox for a little bit, for a while. I haven't gotten my lips done in like over a year. My Botox wore off maybe a few months ago, and I haven't retouched it, and I don't know, I'm kind of like okay without it for now. Okay, but seriously, if you're looking for a powder to set the entire skin, this one is so good. Look at how nice and flawless that made my skin look. It definitely mattified it, but I am okay with that. For my bronzer and maybe highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Evette XO and Beauty Creations palette. I honestly forgot all about this palette that I had. It comes with two highlighting shades, two brightening shades, and then two bronzing shades, which I definitely feel like I need a little extra coverage underneath the eyes. So I'm going to go in with this shade of the bronzer. Actually, you know what? Let's mix them both. Let's mix them both. And I'm going to go ahead and bronze up the forehead. I'm going to switch my brush really quick to something a little like more defined. And I'm going to go in with the bronzer and just take it on to the cheeks. For my blush, I'm going in with the SHEGLAM Care Bear Collection blush in, I don't even know, but it's the pink one. I applied a little bit on this side and I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot how pigmented these really are. They're so pretty and the collection is just absolutely stunning. I like this pink because it's a brown girl friendly pink. Okay, it's not too ashy, it's not too cool tone. For highlighter, I'm using this one by Metamorphosis BF. It's the Bunnyta, which is a bunny. Her names are so clever, and I'm just using these two to pack them on to the cheeks. Honestly, I didn't realize how glittery these are. They're beautiful, but they are on the glittery side, so if you have textured skin, just beware. We're gonna move on to the eyes, and this is the only like all pink palette that I could find in my collection. It's the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop Cotton Candy eyeshadow palette. I know that they don't sell these, but I have seen them at TJ Maxx. I don't know if they still sell them. If not, I'm sure you guys can find something, but this is a really fun pink and purple palette, so we're gonna go ahead and just use that. For my lips, I'm using Juvias Place lip liner. This is in Coffee Bean. It's just a really pretty deep brown. And then for the lips, I am using also a Juvias Place lipstick. Where did I leave it? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's right in front of me. Duh. It's called Chic. This is like one of the only pink lipsticks that I actually own that I genuinely love. And then I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of this lip gloss. This is the Revlon Sky Pink gloss. It's like a really pretty, soft, girly, baby pink. Yeah, I guess. And then for my setting spray, I'm using the NYX the Marshmallow setting spray, which smells just like marshmallows, but it gives you a beautiful matte finish. And this is the final look. This is a full face featuring all pink makeup items. Oh my gosh, this was actually really fun. I love the way the look turned out. I mean, are they even? Definitely not. Is it cute? Definitely is. This is such a pretty pink Valentine's Day look that you can totally recreate. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Don't forget to check out Italo jewelry in the description down below, and use my code Karina20 for 20% off your order. This is the perfect time to order jewelry for yourself, for your mom, for your girlfriend, for your wife, because like jewelry just makes a statement and makes a girl feel like $1,000,000. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe out there. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video.